Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to set up a professional streaming server. Often, we require a dedicated server for stable and uninterrupted streaming. We use Nginx because it is lightweight, fast, and reliable. Fasten your seatbelts as we move forward, step by step. Part 1, Connecting to the server. Run SSH to start a secure remote connection to your server. SSH is a network protocol that allows you to securely connect to another server or computer remotely and execute commands. For this, we will use PuTTY, which is a lightweight and secure software. So, launch PuTTY on your computer. Input your server's hostname, or IP, and the correct port. Log in as root user. Logging in as root gives you full access to all system changes. Part 2, Updating and upgrading the system. After connecting to the server and before installing anything, we need to make sure that the operating system is up to date. Additionally, it is crucial to upgrade it to address potential issues. To do this, we use these commands. Wait for the upgrade to complete. When prompted, choose Keep the local version currently installed. Click OK on prompts about kernel upgrades or outdated libraries. Part 3, Installing and activating Nginx. At this point, it's time to install and activate Nginx. It's a powerful, lightweight web server that handles streaming and simultaneous requests well. For this, we use the following command. If prompted again about a kernel upgrade, press OK to continue. If you see a message about daemons, select OK to proceed. And then add these commands. With these commands, we verify that the service is indeed active and running without issues. Part 4, Clone and configure. Sometimes additional modules may be required for dedicated streaming. Then clone the Nginx source and configure it according to our specific needs. Alright, let's install the Nginx RTMP module. If you want the quickest method, just run this command. This will install the module directly from your system's package repository. Note that this version might not be the latest release. If you want the most up-to-date version, you'll need to download the module directly from GitHub and compile it yourself. Therefore, first, install the necessary build dependencies. Next, clone the source code repositories. Once cloning is complete, go into the Nginx directory and start the compilation process. Alright, now that the RTMP server is installed, the next step is to configure Nginx for live video streaming. Start by opening the Nginx configuration file with a text editor like Nano. Inside the editor, scroll to the end of the file and add the RTMP configuration block. Here's a simple example to get you started. Once you've added the configuration, save the file and reload Nginx to apply the changes with this command. Alternatively, you can reboot your server to make sure all changes take effect. And just like that, your Nginx server is now ready for live video streaming. Part 5, Test Server Connection. It is time to ping your server's IP to test network connectivity before streaming. If you get a response, it means everything is ready. Part 6, OBS Settings. At this point, we will move on to setting up OBS. This is one of the most popular streaming software options because it is free, offers professional features, and integrates easily with servers. To do this, open OBS version 31.0.3, go to the Settings menu, select Stream, and enter your server address and stream key. Part 7, Test the stream with VLC. After completing the settings, we need to test the server output. For this, use VLC. It is a fast and reliable player that can play network streams directly. First, open VLC. From the Media menu, click Open Network Stream. Enter the stream address and play. Now go to OBS and click Start Streaming. Return to VLC and view your stream output live. Congratulations! You now have a professional streaming server set up with Nginx, OBS, and VLC. This method is more stable, more secure, and gives you more freedom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.